Example 2. Solve the following system of inequalities graphically. X plus 2y less than or equals to 8, 2x plus y less than or equals to 8, x is greater than or equals to 0, y greater than or equals to 0. So, inequality is given to you as x plus 2y is less than or equals to 8 and 2x plus y is less than or equals to 8, x greater than or equals to 0, y greater than or equals to 0. And to solve this system, consider the equations x plus 2y is equals to 8 and 2x plus y is equals to 8, x equals to 0 and y is equals to 0. Consider 2 points of intersection of this line with the coordinate axis by taking x0 y is equals to 4 and y0 x equals to 8. Same way here also, taking points of intersection of the line with the y-axis and x-axis, x equals to 0, y is equals to 8, y is equals to 0, x is equals to 4. And x equals to 0 is y-axis, y equals to 0 represents x-axis. So, to draw the curve, I consider the x-axis and y-axis. X-axis and the y-axis represent the numbers 0, 4 is a point on y-axis, 0, 4, 0, 8, 4, 0 and 8, 0. First one, x plus 2y is equals to 8 is a straight line passing through 0, 4, 8, 0. So, the first straight line is this one. Consider the second straight line 2x plus y is equals to 8 passing through 4, 0 and 0, 8. That is a straight line passing through these 2 points. Now, let us consider the shaded portion for the solution. X plus 2y is less than or equals to 8. When you substitute x0, y0, you get it 0 less than or equals to 8, which is true. It means I have to consider the points less towards origin side of the line x plus 2y equals to 8. X plus 2y is equals to 8 is this straight line. X plus 2y is equals to 8 towards origin side. I have to shade it this portion towards origin side. And now consider 2x plus y is equals to 8. You are given 2x plus y less than or equals to 8. X equals to 0, y is equals to 0 implies 0 less than or equals 8 is true. And therefore, I have to consider origin side of the second straight line, which is 2x plus y is equals to 8. I have to consider the shaded portion towards the origin. but x greater than or equals to 0 comes under above the right side of the y-axis, y greater than or equals to 0 above the x-axis. It means together x positive, y positive comes under the first quadrant. So therefore, the common portion is given as like this one. I have to consider the region towards the right side of the y-axis and above the x-axis. So, and below this straight line, the common portion is this one. This is actually the shaded region, and this is the common solution for this system of inequalities.